Welcome. Once you're in to MAT064, this particular one is for fall, but it's D72. It may differ than your current class, but the 064 should be the same. You will see this page right here. All of the information, as you scroll down, is contained in what's called modules. The first thing you want to do to access the class is welcome start here. So if you're watching this video, you've already you already know where to begin. But when you click on welcome start here, you're going to see an introduction. You can click on that, and that's going to tell you that for this particular semester, classes begin on the 8th, but everything is open on the 1st. You can read through the rest of them, but primarily what you want to do is find the Aleks Math link. Before I click on that, you'll see the syllabus here. I also have a searchable syllabus. If you click on that, you can quickly go to scheduling, grading, outcomes, etc. if you want to search something for the syllabus. Contact information, dsnyder@stcc.edu. Please email me rather than posting in Blackboard. It takes me a while to see those posts come through. All right. On each, again, we're going to click on Aleks Math, but first, if I click on each module, you're going to see that it contains notes, answers, and videos. You can watch each one of these for whichever particular section you're in. There's a trigonometry section, a literal section, function and relation section, and exponential and logarithmic functions. So each one of these 4 modules has videos and notes in them that you can access. But to get to Aleks, you have to get to Aleks while you're in Blackboard. If you've used Aleks before, you cannot just go to the website and try to find the class. You have to go through Blackboard and click on Aleks Math. Once you click on Aleks Math, it's going to ask you whether or not math. It's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you if you have a previous account. If you say yes, now this is the point where you can log in. If you don't have a previous Aleks account, just click on no, and you're going to have to verify your email and do a couple of steps. But once you do that, it's going to bring you to the Aleks page. Here you can go through the learning and learn how to use the tools, etc. I'm just going to skip this and get over to the main area. But you'll have to go through all of that. If you haven't done a knowledge check before, it's going to ask you to do a knowledge check now. So if I click on this, it says welcome, go through the tutorial, start the knowledge check, and here you're going to have to answer some questions, and if you don't know something, that's fine. Just say you don't know it, keep going, because it's going to put you into the area where you need to work on things. But I'm just going to skip this for now. You won't get that option. But basically, once you finish the knowledge check, it's going to tell you what you have to work on. So at this point, you can click next, next, and keep going until you get to this main page. And you will click on Start My Path, and that's going to bring you to the first time questions you need to answer. If you click up here on the upper left 3 bars, and you click on Assignments, there are a couple more assignments that you need to work on. You need to work on the trigonometry assignment. This is independent of the pi, which I was just on. You need to do the trigonometry quiz. Again, this is independent. And you also need to do the final knowledge check once you've completed 87 out of 87 topics. So I can go back to the Learn mode, and that will bring me back into questions that I need to answer. If I want to get back to my pie, I just click on Home. So that should get you through to start your Aleks assignments.